Awaare, also in the Haud, was annexed by Ethiopia in 1922 after the defeat of the Somali national hero, Mohammed Abdullah Hassan, called by the British the Mad Mullah. When Awaare was liberated, its Muslim Quranic schools were immediately reopened after long years of enforced closure under Ethiopia's Christian rule. Once again, in Awaare, the people's delight in their newfound freedom is unmistakable. These dances are called danto, traditional Somali dances of joy. These young recruits were scarcely born when the last part of the Ogaden, the reserve area around Darfur, was handed to Ethiopia by post-war Britain. With that, the subdivision of Somali lands was complete, despite violent protest from their people. Men like Maktal Dahir, who saw it for what it was, the cynical betrayal of a people to the dictates of imperial policy. For 30 years, the Somalis of Darfur had had no schooling save in the Amharic of their rulers. Liberated on August the 1st, the people rallied eagerly to learn and rediscover their native tongue. The people of Darfur, as of all the Ogaden, made a solemn pledge to carry the fighting forward and defend their hard-won freedom to the death. The colourful scar plan between Jigjiga and Harar marks the road to Harar. This is Jinat Sane, fertile land, ideal for agriculture. 91 years ago, Ethiopia seized the area. But on September the 19th, 1977, it won its independence back. The small town of Jinat Sane lies at the foot of the escarpment. Its people make their living by farming and raising livestock. Although the ground is fertile, Ethiopia's rule did little to help or develop the region. Life is still hard here. Maize and millet are the only staple crops, grown still on a subsistence basis by methods as old as the surrounding hills themselves. Yet with little more than education and a sense of purpose, Jinat Sane could become a place of wealth, feeding not just itself but also the countryside around. Only one crop earns actual revenue for Jinat Sane, and that is khat, a leaf plant widely chewed as a soporific. From farms such as this, Cut is harvested and sold in markets throughout the Horn of Africa.